Hi there, my name is Crystal and I'm going to give you a quick introduction to Figma. In this video, we'll create a free Figma account and team before creating our first design file. You can sign up for your free Figma account by going to figma.com or by clicking the link in the video description below. Click the Sign Up button on the Figma homepage. We can fill out the fields to create our account, but we also have the option to sign up using a Google account. After we click Create Account, we'll be directed to the Figma web app. Right away, we'll see a few messages welcoming us to Figma. Teams allow you to unlock more of Figma's functionality and are great for managing your own projects in a team of one or when collaborating within a larger team. To avoid missing those benefits, we recommend that you set up your Figma team right away. Let's click the Create Team button and name our team Figma. We can always change our team name later. One unique thing about Figma is the ability to easily share your designs with your team and work collaboratively in the same file in real time. We'll use Figma's multiplayer editing to design a mobile e-commerce website later in this series, so stick around to see this feature in action. If you have an established team at work, a friend you're working on a side project with, or a client who hired you to design their next big idea, you can invite them here. I'm going to add my coworker, Andrew, to this file by entering his email address here. Then we'll click the button to choose our plan. Now we can choose a team plan. If we're just getting started, a free starter team lets us create up to 3 projects and unlimited files within those 3 projects. We can also invite one additional editor to collaborate with us. Viewers are always free, but if we want to invite more than one extra editor, we'll need to upgrade to a professional team or Figma organization. Let's choose the free starter team option for now. We can always upgrade our team at any time. After our free starter team is created, we're taken to our team page. We can manage every aspect of our team from here. Projects help us keep related design files organized and grouped together. Let's click the button to create a project and name it Getting Started. Now that we've created our project, we can create our first design file. We can import files from Sketch or Figma by clicking the Import File button. We can also drag and drop a file directly into the browser to import it. If we import a Sketch file, Figma will convert the Sketch symbols into Figma components. To create a new Figma file, we can click the plus icon in the toolbar or click the rectangle labeled New File. This opens a new file in the Figma editor. The editor allows us to add vector objects to the canvas and adjust their properties to create our designs. We can even turn our design into a prototype here. In the next video, we'll learn more about the different sections of the editor. If you haven't already, be sure to click the link in the video description to sign up for your free account so you can follow along in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.